Gotta catch us some bait fish.
These rails do not feel safe.
You see them fish in there right there?
And where?
Oh, there it is.
Are we fishing right here?
In this area. I'm gonna throw it in one time just cause.
Oh, you can
What's
fish.
that
I
thing on the
almost
bucket
did.
for?
Wait, you
Thing on
almost
the
did?
bucket for?
Yeah, it gave it up. It's to
What?
so the fish I have
I see that fish.
there we
Come
go.
on. Get it.
Hopefully it'll hold trying to fling it up here.
Yay!
Oh no.
Are you gonna throw it back in?
Yeah, this one's way too big for
Bait. Let me feel it real quick. Oh, this is gonna be something.
if I can get that up out of there. Ah.
Oh.
Oh well. That counts.
At least you threw it back in.
Yeah, luckily he was too big anyway.
The biggest fish I catch, could that one be turned into fried fish?
It could.
Can you make it into fried fish?
Uh-oh, almost.
Can I throw mine in?
I'm gonna throw mine in over here. Fine.
So you hold it?
No, you gotta turn it around. No, turn your, so let me see.
Oh,
show you.
turn this.
Yeah, turn it like that. And then you don't need to like fling it high, like it's a little pole, okay? You just fling it, okay? Just kind of hit the button and let go. You've done it before.
Come on.
Yeah, you have to do a little, maybe a little more than that. But here, let's go around on the end, on the edge. Be a little easier than trying to fish off a.
There we are. Come on, take the bait, take the bait.
You gotta keep reeling it, son. You can't just leave it there. Yeah, reel it. Yeah. Yeah, that's not gonna work, son. You gotta keep reeling. Yeah, let me get that grass off of there.
I'm glad I didn't say stay.
Yeah. Okay,
Ah, damn. Almost.
I can see them, but I can't get them.
All right, come on, let's get off this bridge. If you want to call this a bridge.
Oh, I'm so glad it didn't go. Oh.
Come on, son. Son, what are you singing?
19. You can nothing all ever can see. That's all I'm saying. bro. I'm gonna start it off, bro.
So you can't fish right next to me. Like go over there, or there you go.
I'm gonna kick start it from right over here. Oh Lord, yep, that's definitely up. Dang it. They got pulled. Dad, they got pulled.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but that thing let go way sooner than I expected.
So when I press the button and I let it go, it won't go.
That's what you gotta do.
Come on. You motherfucker. Use that for bait. You gotta make it seem like it's a real
Fish.
little fish or bug or whatever it is.
Got some?
Whoa! I reeled it in too fast so we couldn't catch it. I see that little baby fish. Dad, I see a baby fish that you could use for bait.
Try and catch it.
Oh! 3, 2.
I need to get some water in that bucket. There we go. Ooh. Hurry, y'all come down this way.
Oh wow, how did you catch that? How?
I keep telling y'all what to do. Y'all just ain't listening to me. I told you reel it in a little faster than what you're doing. You letting it sit there. Come down here. Ah, you let it go.
Ron, what you need?
This might be a good one. Ooh, get back over here. Ooh, it is a good one. There you go.
Oh. Yes, I caught a fish! Wow, I was the first one to catch a fish.
Good job, son. Awesome. Now you gotta take it off the hook, and
Hold it.
it's a pretty one.
Can you retell me how to not get spiked by a scale?
Just grab it. See how I have it by its mouth like this? Just grab it like that. He's gonna jump or whatever, but just that's just what he's gonna do.
Do I throw this one back in?
Oh, we can keep him.
Yeah! Can you do it?
All right, I'm gonna show you how to do this one, and then the other ones you gotta do, okay? So you see how I'm gonna grab it by its mouth like that, and then I can grab my hook and pull it out. Okay, so put your fingers in there. There you go. Now he's gonna jump and stuff, but go throw him in the bucket. Here, like, kind of make it like, and bring it back over here.
There it goes.
Now you press the button. Press it so, there you go.
Oh, I see it now. I see it now.
Uh-huh.
Oh, great.
Let me see. Hold on. Piece of fucking cable.
I got a fish. A fish.
Huh.
Fish.
You see a turtle?
A turtle or stingray?
Probably a turtle. I doubt there's any stingrays in here.
Because that was fast.
Watch out for that tree.
How? How?
Ah, it's super tiny though.
That could be a
Wait, what is
Mhm.
that?
All the fish in here are going to be kind of small. Pretty little bluegill.
That's a very good deal.
Careful, son. I'm right here.
Catch this one. Oh! Not even done. That one was big too.
Come on, don't let go this time. Get up here.
Good job, Dad.
Thank you, son.
Yeah, honestly, I think this is the best spot to fish because there's way bigger fish. I saw those fish bigger than all those fish in there. It overpowered my hook. Don't you dare turn.
Another one. Hooker brother, huh? Let's see.
So close. Oh, you got one. Good job. Oh, you got one? Oh.
All right, I don't think I need any more, but we can fish. We can keep going until Lamont gets one.
Bucket.
The one that I caught is a big one and a jumper.
Yeah, so I ended up going fishing by myself. The boys didn't want to go. Got a decent view of downtown, but I didn't get any bites. The only action I got was this bird running into my line, but I didn't realize that until I sat back and watched it again. But anyway, appreciate y'all checking it out. See you on the next one.